Hello folks, welcome to another Forex live chart trade recap. You're here with Tyler from Tyler Trading Tips. Hope this video will provide you some value today as we're on a live chart. In the top left I see markets live AUD Canadian dollar 15-minute chart here. We can see that last night about 1:30 in the morning I entered off this candle here, the wick of it, using a minute time frame entry system. And that was at the whole level of 0.96. We're now at the time of 3 o'clock during a quite peak session of New York, and we've retested that whole level and fallen down. Currently targeting the full ADR, looking at currently a 1 to 15 risk to reward trade, but we'll play by here. When the ADR updates in tomorrow's trading session, I will adjust my target again according to the ADR. So yeah, just to fully go out to the 1 hour chart, we can see there I got in on that 1 hour wick, really solid entry to be honest with you, and then fell ever since really. We can see that there's some lows here that I'll be targeting, so I'm assuming the ADR won't move too much, so I will be still targeting roughly around here. I will be holding this into the next day, but if it can finish off today and hit target, fantastic as well. But yeah, my stop loss was 4 pips as well, really tight, and overall looking for roughly about 60 pips as well. So that's what makes the 1 to 15 risk to reward day trade or intraday trade. 1 hour's downtrending, 4 hours downtrending as we can see here, and the daily chart as well. We had been going up, but we broke structure here. We had a break of structure, and then it's been falling ever since. So I'd consider this a bearish market from a daily perspective as well, especially since the start of March. So the whole of March has been falling. So yeah, definitely has more bearish sentiment there. So yeah, at that whole level, looking to target basically just before the daily lows, and it makes sense really logically. So I'll update you as the trade progresses and see if we can hit that 1 to 15 risk to reward. See you soon folks. Guys, I'm back again, Tyler from Tyler Trading Tips, just to let you know that the trade has moved down and I'm about to close out the profit now, just a bit before the ADR. It's the end of the day. I'm quite happy with the progress I've made, so yeah, just about to press the X, and there we have it. That is the profit taken. The trade is now complete. It was a 4 pip stop loss trade to make 51 pips, so really good overall. It was one of my grade A setups as well, so I will calculate the risk to reward shortly when we head over to TradingView and do the final closing of this brief. Bit of a quick one today as well, to be quite frank with you, only just because I entered on the wick here at 1:30 in the morning. Yeah, so it was a late one, so then I didn't wake up till later on in the day. London session, we retested that whole level. I had a wick entry all the way up here, so it was absolutely superb. Then it just melted for the rest of the day, and yeah, it was just a little bit close to ADR, literally a matter of 10 pips, if that, 8 pips. So yeah, I was happy to just close it off there because the time is now 8 o'clock on the last day of the month as well. So take my profit there and then focus on a fresh new month to begin with all of that. So yeah, I'll catch you on the flip side in a second on TradingView. We'll close this brief and we'll find out. Stay to the end, see how much risk to reward I've made in one single day, folks. Be back. Okay then my people, we are back. It's just after 8 PM. We're on TradingView, and the risk to reward was actually 14 to 1 risk to reward, and that's in the space of a day. We can see that I entered on the wick here. The wick happened at 1:30 in the morning. I've exited today 7:45 in the evening, so a whole day's worth of trading, and I've made 1 to 14 risk to reward, 4 pip stop loss at that wick using my own system at the whole level of 0.96, and we've just gone down. Like I say, we pulled down, retested and continued. We were so close to ADR, it was near the end of the day, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to close my profit here because I'm not greedy, take what I can get. It's the end of the month, I can start my month now fresh, and ready to go. We've had a solid month. It's been really good, really informative, educative and profitable. Hope it's been the same for you. We can see there that 1 to 14 risk to reward, and this is what I want to just explain to you. You know, 1 to 3 trading, 1 to 2, 1 to 1 risk to rewards. You're cutting yourself short if you're not scaling in. You need to scale in. Look at your monthly, weeklies and dailies, by all means, your 4 hours, but then you've got to go to your 15, 5 and 1s. Really finesse that entry. That's how I was able to get that wick, because I know price action, I can read it, and then from that point at 130 it never came back. So that's literally just showing you how it's done there. Very smooth, very comfortable trade this one was, and I can't complain. Again, just finally just concluding here, like on the 1 hour chart as well, it's just been downtrending, and then we had a pullback into the whole level. Obviously you're going to be like, oh, but it went above the whole level. Well, of course it did. It's not going to hit the horizontal line and fall. So as far as I'm concerned, it hit the whole level as a zone, then fell down. Yes, there is room to breathe and carry on, but again, it's only 2 more days now. Technically 1 more day till NFP. Massive day. To be honest, my week's complete. 1 to 14 risk to reward. I don't need to trade anymore this week. I'll be on to next week. Looking forward to the new month and making some serious gains as usual. But I hope you found value in this, showing you that, yeah, it's an Australian dollar pair, so trading at 1:30 in the morning made sense, because in the UK it's a night time, but in Australia they're just starting to make money. So that's the idea. You've got to use currencies and the pairs in retrospective to their times and their zones, and are they actually active for you to make money. At 1:30 in the morning I had a grade A setup at the whole level of 0.9600. Was I going to take it? Yes, because I was there at the time. Why the hell wouldn't I? And it paid. It absolutely paid. A 1 to 14 risk to reward. So yeah, hope you like it. Thumbs up, like, subscribe for YouTube, Instagram, give a thumbs up and save. I'll keep these high risk to reward trades coming. It's just about being patient and then grabbing the money when it comes, following your system systematically with no emotion. It's as simple as that. But I'll see you again on the flip side. This is Tyler from Tyler Trading Tips, signing out.